Hello everyone, I'm Ritika from IELTS Racers, and in my today's video I'm going to show you something very interesting and yes, a very useful thing for you if you want to raise your band from 6.5 to 7 or 7.5 in writing. And what is that? It's our live evaluation, the way we evaluate our students' writing. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. So the topic that we will be evaluating today is a letter, and the letter is: a friend has agreed to look after your house and pet while you are on holiday. Write a letter to your friend, and in your letter give contact details when you are away, give instructions on how to care for your pet, describe other household duties. So let's move further to the evaluation process. So let's start with the evaluation. The very first thing is how to approach the letter. I have mentioned this thing in my previous video as well. In case if you have missed it, then you can check out that video in the playlist. So what I'm doing here is I'm highlighting the important things that I need to mention in my letter. The very first thing is I'm writing this letter to a friend who will be taking care of my house and my pet while I will be on holiday. And what I need to mention is my contact details, the instructions that I want to share with my friend, and the other household responsibilities that I want him to do in my absence. Okay, so first thing which is very important is to understand the type of the letter. It is an informal letter. I have also made a video on distinguishing between the types of letters. If you have missed it, then you can also watch that. Now let's check the word count. It is quite appropriate. The very first paragraph, it's completely covering all the information that we need to put and nicely written. Let's move further towards the body paragraph. First of all, let me give you some vital information about my whereabouts and contact details while I am away. I've highlighted this here because this is something the student has repeated. Avoid repetitions in your IELTS exam. It may hamper your score negatively. Okay, moving further so that you can reach in case of an emergency. I will be in Belarus for 5 days and will be staying in Hotel Holiday Inn. Now, what is this? Student wrote the name of the hotel with small letters, but it should start with a capital letter. So, I'm doing this for him. H capital and rest would be the same. Now, I have activated roaming service on my mobile, so the number remains unchanged. Let's be precise here. We can add a word international. I have activated international roaming service on my mobile, so number remains unchanged. Yeah. So here we have completed with this paragraph. Rest was written nice. So the next paragraph will talk about the instructions that I want to give to my friend about my pet. So as the student was adding further information with his previous ideas, so he started here with moreover. Moreover, you are the only one who have gifted Marchie, my beloved pet. Marchie is the name of pet, so a comma should be there. He forgot to do it, so I did it. My pet, so you are well aware how to take care of her. But just to refresh it to you, she eat thrice a day. Now, it will not be eat, it will be eats, as the student want to convey here in the simple present tense. So it will be eats. She eats thrice a day, early morning, mid-afternoon and evening. Again, here he forgot to put the comma after early morning. So I will put it here. Please be sure about these things. Make sure about to put the punctuation marks correctly. Otherwise, these kind of things, they can tweak the meaning, whatever you want to convey. Now, the feed is stored and kept in the left drawer of the cabinet. I again gave the precise information to improvise the languages. The feed is stored and kept. Moving further, again he wrote Amazon with the small letter. So let's do it. I started with capital letter. There is no need to tell you, but please take care of the apartment. don't you think it is something incomplete? I should at least give him instructions now what kind of work I want him to do when it comes to take care of my house. So let's add something here, that what he needs to take care of my house. So what I can say is, you can, or you should, or you make sure to turn off the lights. Like here I'm writing, make sure to lock all the gates and windows before going to sleep. And here I should follow the tone which has to be polite. Okay, I cannot order my friend to do this. So I can add a word please. This will show that I am politely requesting my friend. So we have done with this thing as well. This closing line is missing from the letter, so I will add it. See you soon. Regards, Adil. Cool. So here we have finished with the letter, and overall I can say that student has given a fair try, It's a well attempted, nicely attempted letter and quite close to 7 band. I won't give it a 7, maybe because I'm somewhere strict about this. But yes, it's a pretty much close to 7 for me. Minor mistakes were there. There one systematic mistake that you people must have noticed is that the student is not using the capital letters where it is required. So it is a systematic error. After that, there were some small errors I noticed in tenses as well as the punctuation marks. But these are the slight errors and can be improved easily. So I guess we have done with this. Yes. Okay, so this is it from my side. If you have any doubts, any queries, any questions, feel free to comment in the comment box. Also, if you want to avail any of our services, including these evaluation services or mock test or any other services, then you can WhatsApp us on this number. Apart from that, if you want to get in touch with us, I have mentioned all the links there in the description box. You can check that. Thank you.